this segment of the Word tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert shapes in a document. There are cases where you are designing a document and you need to insert one or more shapes in it. To insert the shapes, you select where you want to insert the shape, and then you go under the Insert tab and then select Shapes. From the drop-down here, select whichever meets your needs. Click on it, and then the difference between this and images is that there's a little plus sign. In this case, you need to draw the object on your document and then let go, and then the shape formatting tools are displayed. From here, you can adjust fill color and other properties related to this object. If you need to align which object shows up first, and this works for pictures as well, notice that there is this arrange option. And if you click on arrange, you can send it backwards, and that means that the picture, it's going to come first, and then the shape, it's going to come next as part of the document. You also have the text alignment. If you decide that that's not the correct shape that you want, you can change it for another one by clicking on the object itself, and then on the top here, you can select change the shape and then pick something different.